there friends, it's Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Today I want to show you how to do a single crochet increase. Now, single crochet increase is a shaping stitch, and it's what we use in order to increase our stitch count by 1 stitch. And you'll see this used a lot in amigurumi crochet patterns. So again, this is one of those basic crochet stitches that you need to have in your toolbox. To do this single crochet increase, you're going to insert your hook into the designated stitch. All right, and you're working under both loops here. Then you're going to yarn over hook and pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. That's your first single crochet completed, because when you're doing a single crochet increase, you're doing 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So working back into that same stitch, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. There should be 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And that's your single crochet increase completed. You can see we now have 2 stitches worked into the same stitch. And just for comparison here, you can see that I have 1 stitch in the previous stitch. So I'll show you how to do that one more time. Working into the next stitch, we're going to work under both loops, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's your first part of the single crochet increase completed. Now working back into that same stitch we were working in, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 2 loops on your hook again. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on our hook. And that is your single crochet increase completed. And again, you can see we've got 2 stitches in this 1 stitch here. Now, I hope that you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to help you. Please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing to this channel. If you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com, where I have over 100 free crochet patterns, many of which include step-by-step video tutorials. So thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.